Today I'm going to show you how to create a light and festive New Year's Eve makeup look using subtle and light colors. The model Filippa has dry skin, so I prepped her skin with moisturizer to hydrate her skin properly. I start with a base primer from BASEOFSWEDEN. I choose this primer, it will blur her pores and it will also work like a skincare on her skin. It is organic and natural. I think it's very important to invest in base makeup products that are good for your skin. Next, I choose the base foundation from BASEOFSWEDEN in the shade Rebellious. It has a yellow undertone. This foundation has a mattifying finish, so I mix the foundation with a moisturizer to get a more glowing base. Filippa is young and busy, and this foundation is both sweat and waterproof, so she can stay active all day long. Since the foundation sets quickly, you have to apply it on one area at a time. I like to buff it into the skin with a damp makeup sponge. I think that gives a very natural finish. Next, I will do some light contouring. Since the foundation has a moist finish, powdery product will set much better, so I gently brush off any excess bronzing powder before I apply it onto her skin. I apply the bronzer underneath her cheekbones, going in an oblique direction, starting at the top of her ear, stopping directly underneath the apple of her cheek. I then apply it in the corners of her forehead and by her jawline. Moving on to the brows. I draw small strokes with a brow pencil and brush the hair upwards. I want to create the illusion of fuller brows. Filippa has lovely brows, so I just want to mark them a little bit. It will help the eye makeup look more natural as well. For the eyes, I want a cold, sparkly look. I start with a cold brown eye pencil and draw a triangle at the corner of the eyelid. Then I blend the eye pencil inwards and halfway onto the eyelid. You can come a long way with a great smooth eye pencil. Next, I add a cream glitter eyeshadow. I apply it from the middle part of the eyelid and inward towards the inner corner of the eye. It is important to always use a lighter color at the inner corners of the eyes, since this will make the eyes look bigger and brighter. After that, I want to add more depth to the eye makeup. I use the dark brown shade from the palette and I apply it underneath the lashes. I don't go all the way in, only halfway, otherwise the eyes will look smaller. Time for more glitter! I add silver glitter eyeliner by her lashes. Then I apply false lashes at the outer corner of her eyes. I just want it to look natural, and then of course, mascara. For the lips, I will create a natural look. I start with lining the lips. I then smudge the liner onto the lips to make the gloss stay in place much longer. I apply glitter gloss in a nude shade. Finally, I finish with a hydrating facial mist. It just gives that extra dewy finish and hydration to the skin. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you feel inspired to create your own New Year's Eve look. Comment below if you have any questions about this look or about makeup in general, and we will guide you. Until next time, good luck!